Hello and welcome back to Pittsburgh Vaydor for another video. In this box here, I ordered some sound deadening mat on Amazon. It's 50 square feet of it. Not sure how much I'm gonna need, so I just ordered as much as I could. That's gonna go inside the fiberglass, pretty much the entire body, so I can quiet it down, eliminate some road noise, and hopefully make it seem like an OEM factory car that came with all this stuff. So that will be installed eventually. I'm hoping to get the windshield bar welded in the next couple days. It's ready for that. Tabs have been cut down. So basically once we get that bar in there, we can permanently bond the kit down to the car, to the cage and everything, and I can start actually doing some finishing work, like do the gaps here and stuff like that. And after the kit is permanently bonded to the car, I'll be able to come and do some actual body work, sand it down, start filling the rough spots and making it look good, getting it ready for paint. And I can pretty much just keep working on that kind of stuff, get the front mounted. I still have to permanently install the headlight buckets and radiator support in the front. So once that's in, I can wire the headlights, which are over there, get those in the car, and then I can figure out how to mount and line up the front end as well. But for now, I'm just going to work on getting that welded, soundproofing the car, getting it bonded down, do the wheel wells and stuff, and just keep moving along. I'm going to come back to the taillights again. I have it pretty much lined up where I want it in there. So I have the wiring harness plugged into the back. I'm going to come down here, cut the holes for where the wires need to run through, and then come back in here. It just plugs straight into here. I need to re-ground this because I cut the section off that it used to be grounded to. So once I figure that out, I'm hoping to have at least one functional taillight. And then if this is working, I'll run over to the other side, install that one, and hopefully have both my taillights in. We got Alex over here. He's helping us with the Vaydor today. He's gonna cut the hole a little bit bigger for the top of the taillight, so he's gonna do that now. Okay, so we got the one taillight installed. I'm gonna go up there, turn it on, and make sure it works, but I don't really see why it wouldn't. So I'm gonna go try that real quick, and then if it does work, I'll show you, and if it obviously works, I'll come back and show you how I did it. Okay, so what we did is we cut the holes, as you saw in a different video, for the bolts on the back. In this one, what we did is we cut the hole here for this rubber grommet, got that fitted in there, and cut another bigger hole up here, and this slides up into this, and the rest of the wires just fit back there. The light can go in and we can bolt it on in the back, and then we just ran the wire back here, plugged it in, and I temporarily re-grounded it to the chassis here. And I just, since I cut before, I just added some old weather stripping I had to the edge so I didn't cut any of the wires. I'm gonna clean that up eventually. I just wanted to make sure I could get these to work, and I did. So now I'm gonna move on to the other side. I forgot that I didn't cut off the excess tabs on this one, so I'm gonna do that real quick so it matches this, and then we can get the holes cut and the taillight fitted. Okay, so we got the holes for the bolts on the right tail light and cut out and got the tail light installed. So this is the first time we've had both tail lights in the car. Right now the left one is wired and functional. The right one isn't wired up yet. So I need to cut the holes for that and install it and pretty much just mess with it when I get the center tail light and make everything line up. And that'll be good to go taillight wise. Move to the front, I can do the headlights and just start putting things together while I wait for that front windshield bar to be installed.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the other light wired up. We're gonna test it right now. They're working. Turn signals. Which one was that?
That's right there.
I think the bulb's dead, but
Left.
turn signals aren't working. Okay, we thought the turn signals weren't working for a second. We just didn't have the key turned all the way to the auxiliary mode thing, so we switched it more and turn signals work. So if you can go left turn signal, right turn signal. Perfect. All working. Okay, so taillights are good. They're working. Great news. Next, I'll be moving up to the front. We just took the front clip off the car, and I'll be trying to line up those headlight buckets and radiator support again. Hopefully get the headlights in the next couple days. I'm leaving for a trip in less than a week, so I'll be gone for about a week. And I'm actually going down to Florida. It's about 2 hours from Tampa. So if I have time while I'm down there, I might try to stop by the Vaydor shop, maybe get a video of the stuff down there again. But if I don't, then I'll try to get another video out before I leave for the trip. I'll be working on the car for the next couple days here before I leave. So hopefully I'll be able to get another video out. But if not, I'll be back the 4th of July. So probably get a video out like the day after the 4th or something around there. Just have some stuff to finish up. Need to figure out when we can get the welder back here to weld in that bar. He already has the support bar bent and ready to be welded in. So once he gets that over here, we can get it tacked in, take the kit off, weld it in completely, and then I can permanently bond this body down and do some more stuff to it. So for now, taillights are in. Gonna start working on the headlights. If I get enough footage, I'll post another video before I leave. If not, you'll see me when we get back. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.